Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video I will show you what is inside VEHICLEZ 3D library. So let's jump to it. So I just have the VEHICLEZ folder and this is what is inside. First of all we have tutorials for people who are new in Blender, like beginner tutorials. If you downloaded the Blender for the first time, we created a couple of tutorials which will help you. Then I made some extra tutorial to show you how to squeeze vehicle 3D library even more, and also how you can append more 3D libraries together. Let's jump to license. License is pretty standard what we have for our 3D library. You can use our 3D libraries for personal and commercial use. You just can't resell PNG files or source files. Basically, you can use our 3D libraries to app design, web design, any other design, graphic design, marketing purposes, AR, VR, games, and so on. You just can't place it on marketplace and resell it with our assets. It's pretty standard, nothing new. Okay, so let's go to the source files. Let's take a look, for example, on the 3D van. So this is how it looks like inside. So as you can see, we have nicely named and structured layers, and we can play with the doors. We can open them, we can turn on and off the lamps, or we can just move the side doors and so on. This is working for every vehicle we have there. Some of them have doors, some of them don't. You can also like play with the wheels, right? You can move with the whole vehicle. This is pretty cool for the animations, right? So you can move with the wheels and so on and so forth. For example, I can also flatten the wheel and so on. So this is inside. This is how it looks. Similarly for every vehicle. Let's jump to PNG renders. For example, we can check the city car. So this is how it looks like. I have PNG file of every vehicle, like open doors, closed doors, and so on. So different cars. One cool thing what I want to show you is also included the shadow. So you can just place this car or any other asset from vehicles and put it on and it will look pretty cool. For example, sport car, right? The shadow is also here. Cool. So this is about the PNG files, rickshaw, tuk-tuk. Let's take a look on the other formats, 3D formats, and let's take a look, for example, on the scooter. And here what we can see that we have in FBX, GLTF, MTL, and OBJ. So these formats can be useful if you want to plug in 3JS, or maybe in a game, or maybe if you want to plug in on the different 3D tool like Spline, or maybe Cinema 4D, and so on. So this is pretty handy. That was it. This is what is inside. If you have any question regarding vehicles or any other question, reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. If you want to learn more about vehicles, go to vehicles.design. And if you want to learn more about our other 3D libraries and you can append them together and create some cool scene, go to 3d.design. Have a great day. Stay creative. Bye.